Hey there, so you've just got your agency on Galaxy and you want to set it up. Let's do that. Using the Agency Manager, go to the Edit tab to manage your agency. Step 1, add some agency managers. If they've already signed up with the Galaxy website, then we can search by their email or their name. Step 2, add a logo. So long as it's within the size limit, you can add whatever photo you want. If it's a bit too big, follow the on-screen prompts. Step 3, fill out your basic information like your agency name, contact information, location information, as well as any links associated with your agency. If you are associated with the IRS, please put your employer identification number here. And don't forget to select as many causes you feel represent your agency. Step 4, fill out the Who We Are and What We Do section to help potential volunteers understand who you are and what you want to do. Step 5, add as many photos you feel represent your agency, if you have any. This may help potential volunteers see and want to join you with your volunteer agency. Now, let's click the View tab to go ahead and see our changes. Ta-da! We have now a finished agency page. Congratulations!